How to change the iPhone back replacement. This video will teach you how to change the color of your iPhone. You have a few different options when it comes to customizing your iPhone color, and we've included the best ones below. The right option for you will depend on your budget, and this video covers options ranging from as low as $5 all the way up to $300. Check out the steps below to find what works best for you. Step 1. Decide if you want to swap the color of the case yourself. You can get do-it-yourself kits on the internet that come with new displays and backs. Note that this is a mid-range cost option. It will also void the warranty on your iPhone. Step 2. Research iPhone color swap kits on the internet. They range from approximately $50 to $100 and are available through numerous vendors. Step 3. Choose your color and order it. Step 4. Buy mini screwdrivers if you do not own one already. Different iPhone models require different screwdriver heads. Step 5. Read the instructions carefully when the kit arrives. Step 6. Clean a workspace where you will install your new color panels. Step 7. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Make sure you place them in a small cup so you don't lose them. Step 8. Push up on the bottom of the back. It should move a few centimeters up. Step 9. Lift the top portion off and remove your old back. Step 10. Replace the back and screw it into place with your original screws. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.